to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to prepare some chicken wings, and we start by deep frying them lightly to get that golden color, and let's make them soft a little bit. As you can see there, it looks very delicious, very yummy and all that. When that is all done, you take some onions, ginger and garlic as always, mix them well, add some tomato paste, and then you add your golden chicken wings. Just look at the way it looks. There's nothing as yummy as these chicken wings, trust me, I tell you. So your parents didn't have dhania, so I had to substitute with some hoho. Yeah.